What's up, you guys? Welcome back to All Things Ange. I'm here with another video for you guys today. And as you can see by that title and that thumbnail, today we are going to be doing a quick and easy wrap around ponytail. This literally took me like 15 minutes to do. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, make sure you keep on watching. All right, you guys, so I'm starting out with a really old silk press. My hair is super greasy and honestly just needs to be washed, but it's okay. Don't judge me. I feel like this is the perfect time to try out this hairstyle. So the company I ordered this hair from is Modern Show Hair. I feel like they're one of the OG hair companies, so I felt very comfortable ordering from them. This is what the packaging looks like. They sent me this super cute makeup puff, which I really appreciated because who doesn't need makeup puffs? Now on to the ponytail. I was super excited for this. She is a 26-inch Velcro 150 density ponytail. That's what it says on the packaging if you guys can't see. Of course, the link will be in the description box below. And here she is, y'all. OMG, I was literally in shock, you guys. I have never seen anything like this before. I was amazed, like OMG. I was just holding it up to my hair, making sure the colors matched. I feel like my natural hair is just a little bit darker because I did dye it jet black a few months ago, but it should be fine. The hair didn't have any weird smells. It just smelled like processed hair, which it is. So here is the weft and the comb attached and then the Velcro strap. This is just so amazing. Yeah, I was so hyped to try this, like, OMG. I love the texture. The hair was super soft and bouncy, as you can see. Yeah. So I'm just about to put my hair into a ponytail. I'm going to show you guys the tools I will be using: a Y2 comb, a rat tail comb, an edge brush, and a hard brush, a scrunchie, of course, some Shine and Jam and True Edge Control, and then, of course, my curling iron. I'm just showing you guys the brand of the curling iron. And then honestly, for this next part, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just prepping my hair to put on the ponytail. So I'll come back when it's time for that. Enjoy. Okay, so now we're all prepped and ready to apply the ponytail. This is super quick and super simple, you guys. This is my first time doing this, so I'm gonna slow it down for y'all. You're just gonna want to take the clip and basically hook that right on to where the scrunchie is, nice and secure. Then you're gonna want to wrap the Velcro around the ponytail, which should leave that little side piece sticking out, which you're then gonna want to just wrap around the ponytail. I just combed it out a little bit because it is the same body wave texture as the hair, just so it lays nice and flat. And yeah, you guys, quick and easy, super simple, self-explanatory. I do feel like I could have wrapped the hair around a little better, but like I said, this was my first time doing this, and I still feel like it came out pretty well. Like, look at this. The tail piece, I don't even know what to call it. The wrap piece, I guess. It was super long. I think it was like the same 26 inches as the hair. So I'm just making sure that it's completely wrapped and tucked in and secure. Like so. And yeah, you guys, quick and easy. I love, love, love the texture of this hair. I feel like the body wave went so well. At first, I wanted to do like a deep wave, but then I thought it would be too messy to manage. So then I was going to do straight, but then I'm like, that's not going to look natural. So I'm like, why don't we just meet in the middle and do body wave? And I'm so, so happy. The texture is amazing. It's so soft, so bouncy and natural looking. So now I'm just going to go ahead and curl my bangs. Just combing them out really quick. And then I'm going to take my curling iron and curl away from my face, making sure all the hair disappears into the flat iron. You don't want to see any hair hanging out of the curling iron, I meant. So we don't have that straight piece hanging down at the end. And guys, watch this. Wow. Do y'all see that curl? Literally, I shocked myself. Like, you ever do something so well, you surprise yourself? Like, yeah, that's what it was given. Don't play with me, because I actually never curled my real hair before. I only curled like my wig. So I was really surprised to see how good this came out. Of course, I'll put the link to the curling iron in the description box below for you guys. I think I got this on Amazon. Couldn't have been more than like $20 or $30. So yeah, 2 for 2. Let's see if we can do it again on the other side, curling away from the face, making sure all the hair is in the flat iron, and voila. It's always one side of the hair that comes out better than the other, but it's okay. I still think it's super cute. I feel like this added like a, flirty type of vibe to the hairstyle, and the bangs just kind of frame the face nicely, because I'm really not a ponytail girl. I'm not a updo type of girl. If I do a ponytail, it's gonna be like a low ponytail, but I really, really loved how this came out, you guys. As you can see at this point, I'm just like really feeling myself. You really couldn't tell me nothing at this point, because I just feel like the style came out so well for my first time doing this. Because you know how it is when you be trying a new hairstyle. It's like, if it doesn't come out right, it's like the world's about to end. But I think this came out super, super good. I'm so happy with this style. I was just trying to get like a good thumbnail and whatnot. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so, so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you get notified every time I post. And I will see you guys in my next video.